We're going to use the quadratic equation to solve this quadratic formula, 5x squared plus 6x minus 3. The quadratic formula is minus b plus and minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. If we write down the general equation for any quadratic, which is ax squared plus bx plus c, and we use that to compare the coefficients, we can see the a value is a value with the x squared. In this case, it's going to be a value of 5. With the b term, or the x term, we can see that b is going to be a value of positive 6. And by looking at the number, we can see that the c term is going to take a value of negative 3. A is 5, b is 6, and c is negative 3. We're going to put these three values for a, b, and c into the quadratic equation and use it to find the two solutions. Starting off with minus b, so it's minus the value of 6 plus and minus the square root of 6 squared minus 4 times 5 times negative 3. It's going to be a square root of all of that. That will all be divided by a value of 2a, which is going to be 2 times 5. Tidy it up. Minus 6 plus and minus the square root of 6 squared, which is 60, minus 4 times 5 times negative 3. Careful about the two minus signs. Will give you a value of positive 60. That's still underneath the square root sign, all being divided by, in this case, a value of 10. Tidy it up. Minus 6 plus and minus the square root of 96 all over 10. We can separate that out into the two solutions. So one solution will be when you use the plus term between the two terms in the top line. The second solution is when you use the minus term between the two terms on the top line. So using your calculator, you can put each of the expressions in turn into your calculator to work it out. In the first instance, you get a value of 0.379. In the second instance, you get a value of negative 1.5798. Two answers in this case. 0.379 or minus 1.579.